So I am replacing the license plate bulb on my GL450. So it's actually very easy. It's just you just need to take out the lens here. It's being held in by 2 screws, and you will also know which one is busted because it will not light up. So taking the lens out. Okay, so I got it. It's pretty much dark. So here's the replacement bulb. I bought it from AutoZone. I think it's like $7 for the pair. So you just slide in this one on this holder. Oop. Did I break it? So I got it placed in, and then it will just like clump in there. Yep. Then just put the screws back. Okay, now checking again.
Sunflower Recovery Center restored my life and my
so
business. I owe it all to the Sunflower
the bulb
Recovery staff. Get your sense of peace
warning
and
is
learn
done.
to live a happy and